It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to my neighborhood. Today, we're going to make spaghetti on the griddle. Can you say spaghetti, boys and girls? I knew that you could. We're continuing the theme of, what is our theme? Comfort foods. And spaghetti's pretty comforting. So I got a ground beef and pork blend. I'm not going to cook all of it because I have plans for the rest. Big plans. So, take us a spatula and cut a chunk. And plop it. And this is on low. Just because I didn't want to burn anything. Because the wonderful Wizard of Oz. So thought about making meatballs out here on the griddle, or I could make them inside in the Emerald cooker. There's all things I could have done. Instead, we got the blend. We got my yummy mixture of salt. This is coarse sea salt, coarse ground pepper, granulated garlic, and some other things like Mrs. Dash and other yummy stuff. I think this will make a nice base for our sauce. Don't you? I do too. This, I think I mentioned last time, but you get to hear it again. Amazon has the, like this size for $50 and this size for 73 cents. Well, I may be exaggerating a little on the prices, but you get the idea. It's pretty ridiculous. And let me reach under you here. Garlic. Yes, I could have chopped up some garlic, but I can also just use this. Hello, lovely assistant.
Hello.
You'll have to excuse me while I get me some smooches from my lovely assistant. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Smooches. You take that in and put it in the fridge.
I can do that.
Thank you. I feel better now. I hope you feel better too. Chopped onions. Let's throw that on. We're going to make it interesting. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. You probably are too. Supper will be ready soon.
Okay.
She just got home from work. That's why I'm getting smooches in the middle of the day. And not just from Baja. Baja's a good smoocher too. Right, Baja? So we got that going. I also thought about doing cutting up onions and some peppers. I didn't do that either. You're stuck with what I give you, and you'll like it. What else do we add? Chives. Chives are good on everything. Got some of this Badia complete seasoning, which I'm still experimenting with and smell. It's kind of like a cross between Mrs. Dash and the Italian seasoning. Kinda. It's kind of like an adobo seasoning. A little bit, maybe. Maybe not. But Baja, she disagrees. Everybody's got to have an opinion. So, our ground beef and sausage mix is coming along nicely. Still a little bit of pink. Okay. We have to stop and throw the ball for the puppy. Otherwise, she'll whine. Okay, where were we? We also have... I thought about, there are a lot of things I thought about when making spaghetti. Thought about making my spaghetti out here using the portable stove. And I decided, nah, we went with the Amaro. So you're just missing out all around on freshness and going the extra mile. Sorry. But the Amaro is really great for pasta. I didn't need all this pasta. Well, Baja thinks I do. But, it was nearing its expiration date. Might as well cook it rather than risk it turning into not spaghetti or something. This is actually angel hair. I squirted some water on. And by the way, when you griddle your spaghetti, it is going to make a mess on your griddle. It sticks. I guess I could have rinsed it, gotten the starch out, but I didn't. I didn't chop the onions. I didn't chop the garlic. I didn't make the spaghetti out here, and I did not rinse the spaghetti. Although rinsing probably would have helped keep it from sticking so bad. And you see there's some sticky spaghetti. Waha! This is a monologue, not a dialogue. You know, it's one thing to get hecklers online, on the internet, the trolls. But when you get hecklers in your own yard from a puppy dog, that's pretty sad. And no shame either. None. Okay, let's slide this out a little. Hi, lovely assistant.
Hi.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Well, you're probably wondering what I'm doing.
I am curious, yes.
So, we have us here some tomato sauce. Cheers. Want a drink before I... Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. But wait, there's more. Stewed tomatoes in a can opener, because that doesn't have a... This is a cool can opener.
That's the best can opener.
She says it's the best. Yeah.
It's a great can opener, especially if you have arthritis.
Especially if she has arthritis. So we have, this is Italian recipe, stewed tomatoes to thicken it up a little bit. And Let's give this a shake, shall we? Hippie, hippie shake. Hippie, hippie shake. You can see I've got spaghetti and sauce going everywhere. But you're used to my messiness if you watch this like even once.
It does look good.
Oh my gosh, I got a compliment. Is that the same as a thumbs up?
Yes.
Yeah. I got a thumbs up, yay! Okay, there's still some chunks I'm going to have to separate. But before I do, let's add a little more garlic. Shh, don't tell. Just a little. Because there's no such thing as too much garlic. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life. Let's try to break up some of these. Normally when you cook it in the marrow, you shouldn't get these clumps, but sometimes the water doesn't get to every single chunk the way it should. So sometimes you end up with clumpiness. And we don't want clumpy spaghetti. Oh well. We'll separate it in post-editing, whatever post-editing is. Uh-oh. Come back, and overboard. So it's not as good as freshly done meatballs on the griddle or smash burger. Maybe spaghetti and smash burgers. Ooh. Maybe just a little more Italian. Just a little. And maybe a little more chopped onion. Wah! Wah! Oh, sorry. Forgot what I was doing for a minute. So, we've got all this yummy griddled spaghetti. Hopefully it's yummy. Let's see, shall we?
No.
We happen to have a fork. Do you have your fork? Ah, I can't let you taste it then. You have no fork. Oh, it slid off. Yum. Ooh. It's actually not bad. Would you like a taste?
I'll take a small taste.
Small taste?
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Not bad for a guy who doesn't know what he's doing.
No.
Made up on the spot. Uh-oh.
That is good.
And now the dog has some spaghetti. Baja, come clean up the spaghetti I spilled. Okay, that's it. We have liftoff, or spaghetti. You ready? Extreme close up! Ah! 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 I call that a win. So, thanks for watching. That's a wrap. And we'll see you next time. Bye!